Yeah. There usually is that sort of thing, isn't there? In this case, I'll download one as well. There we go.
Oh, magic.
And then the easiest way, take off your tyre.
I hope I don't get a puncture.
Completely.
You've done this before anyway, this time.
If I go puncture, I would probably.
So, when you've got a puncture, what you've got to be aware of is that whatever punctured it can still be through your tyre. So, one of the things that get people is they take it off, put their inner tube back in, and got a puncture straight away because of thorn or whatever it's still through. So just got to
Didn't think of that.
all the way through, like so. Where's the one I prepared earlier to put that? Is it that?
Are you guys telling me my wheel's still wonky? I'll test it, I'll ride it back around the other way.
Yeah.
Mark, were you going into town by the way?
Yeah.
What are you going to town for?
I'm going to put some money on Manchester United.
Are you really?
Yeah. We don't fully inflate it.
Would you mind grabbing me some chocolate on the way back?
Yeah. Only a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have to adjust it.
Slightly.
Stick it in your tyre. Find where your arm is on the wheel.
The hole's on the top.
On the top.
On the top? Ah, cheers.
Okay.
Line it up.
Ah.
Put that in. And on.
You do that first then?
I don't have any pins on mine, mine are just all.
Line up. So you then push one side on.
Oh, you do one side first. And then
I did it myself, I'd be too scared to get back on the bike.
There you go, so you've got one side on now.
Yeah.
Oh,
You just
something
need the other
just fell
side
off.
to go in.
Okay.
Ah.
There's always bits left over, isn't
Yeah.
there?
And then
Yeah.
just go back round. Push it in the tyre on. Some you can actually get on without your tyre levers, I think I will here as well.
Yeah.
Just go around.
Danny, which way is this again to loose?
Left loose.
Put that in.
I did, it fell off
Oh,
there.
okay.
And there you go.
Oh,
Well
that's
done.
easy enough. I just hope I don't get a puncture too far
No,
behind
stop
you lot.
videoing that. This is a bit messed up, we'll just have to leave this one.
Yeah, stop it. Fine, I don't mind not doing it. No, I think just not let go. Right, you're holding that in there. If you hold it that way, then you're not going to be able to go around.
Yes. Yes, that's going to have to be adjusted. We need to video this, turn it into a fiasco.